Friends, my name is Hyder and I want to learn how to get disappeared, but no one teaches me how. So I asked my father, how do I get disappeared? And he said,
Son, disappearing is easy. Facing the reality is difficult.
Friends, I don't know what it means. So I asked my mother, how do I get disappeared? And she said,
Hey Dad, did you finish your homework?
Friends, I do know what it means. I already finished my homework. They say practice makes a man perfect. So let's practice. Friends, it's not working. Perhaps I need magic words. Yes, I finally learned how to disappear.
Wait a second. How do I come back? Ah! Someone help me! Mom! Dad! Ah!